What's the freaking melody?
Thanks for fighting those demons for us.
Good morning. Welcome to Renew Community. Sorry. Cleansing breath. A little low for me to eke out those notes. That one's a hi. Hello.
It's fine for me.
It's fine for me. 3 altos on the stage. One's gonna be unhappy.
Good morning. Welcome to Renew Community. Is it really Cable 5 on this? Okay, we'll find out.
The best thing we can do is order our children to act as if they love each other. Like, that's the best we can do. Hey guys, say you're sorry. I'm just gonna look at you. Say you're sorry.
I love that song. Huh?
I said nothing.
I don't hear it. Wanna hear dry bones' voices. This is a new song where we're learning it this morning. I understand. Through, forward.
There's a buzz there. There's a haptic feedback there. I don't know about you, but this makes me go,
Oh, it's working.
That's who you were hearing.
Oh.
I found my shoe.
They can, but they're not.
Don't look at me like that.
I do like a lot of them. I try to get rid of the ones I hate. But. That was a time in worship where you say hey to a few folks around you, and then we'll discuss if we have some announcements.
well, hi everybody.
There's some content for you.
I think I got him. I think I got Philip. I got him again.
I've gotten
I
worse.
was in a rough place for a while.
What do we say about love? We fall in love.
That's the way you fall in love. You take a little picture of.
Nobody tries to fall. Like if you fall,
We fall. Should've cared.
it's the last main question, and there'll be lots of other questions after this one.
Ever gone mountain biking? What do you want to be when you grow up? What's the right tip? Have you called a plumber to your home lately? How superstitious are you? How much money would it take to make you spend a night in a cemetery?
Everyone knows it's not just you, it's their own, right? It's us when we were your age too, right? I love you, guys. Now everyone knows you're normal. Finally. Everyone finally knows you're normal. You ask Clint after church, he'll talk to you about dumb sheep.
The Dre joke.
No.
Oh, desserty stuff. I'm not a dessert guy. I don't know why. I'm just not. So we need people like Rick to say, hey, we need some scotcheroos, right? We all have our different gifts and talents. God uses us all. Sunday school time now.
Before I spoke a word, you were singing over me. Come on.
We do have, well, okay, so Emily came up at the beginning, and it was kind of a little rocky start because at 10:04, I was like, what if it rains? And she's like, it's 10:04, you want to figure this out now? And I was like, kind of. We do the rip and dip method. So we rip off a piece of bread and we dip it in the cup. Don't eat it.
There's another, we'll get into whatever. I'll focus. I have a tendency. I think I'm 80. Like, I think I definitely should probably do nothing about it, but definitely notice it the most when I'm trying to lead other people and staying focused. Welcome to the show.
It's all good.
My mom always says
I'm here
to
for
my
it.
dad, you forgot to use your turn signal.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I've thought about that phrase several times, because every time I do that, I think left turn, like.
Sorry, left turn. And I'll also say this, and this is something that often happens if and I've never said this before, but if you're dipping and your piece of bread falls in the cup, that happens, just gently reach over and grab another piece of bread. It's all good. Have you ever used a typewriter, the old school one?
Do you love to go a-wandering beneath a clear blue sky?
Can I humbly share a story?
Yeah, share. Do you want to? Yeah. This is so. I said it with the expectation that nobody would want to talk. So this is way better. So don't go fishing in there, like, because then your fingers have been in there, and everybody else will be like, ew.
Do you have a sweet tooth?